All are going to represent our mathematical city. Mathematics play an important role in our daily life. Geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with shape, size and dimensions. Today in this model we are going to represent some basic 2D and 3D shapes including square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, cuboid, cube, prism, etc.
Now introduce our shapes. This is a cube. It is a 3D shape having all faces are equal. It has 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces and all edges are equal. The total surface area of a cube is 6 into side square and volume is side cube. Now move on our next shape. This is a cuboid. It is a 3D shape having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL and volume is L into B into H. Now move on our next shape. It is a triangular prism. It is a 3D shape having 9 edges, 6 vertices, 5 faces and the volume of a triangular prism is area of triangular base into height.
Now move on the next shape. The shape is 3D shape called cylinder. It has 2 circular bases and 1 curved surface. It has no vertices.
Now move on our next shape. The shape is pentagonal prism. It is a 3D shape with 7 faces, 15 edges, 10 vertices. Its formula is area of pentagonal base into height. Now move on our next shape. The shape is circle. It is a 2D shape with the center and a radius. The area of the circle is pi r square and the circumference is 2 pi r. Now move on our next shape. The shape is sphere. It is a 3D shape. All points on the surface of sphere are at equal distance from its center. It has no edges, no vertices. It has a perfectly round shape. Its area is 4 pi r square and the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Now move on our next shape. The shape is sphere. It is a 2D shape with equal sides and all angles are right angle, all diagonals are equal. Its area is a side square and its perimeter is 4 into side. Now move on our next shape. The shape is a rectangle. The shape, it is 2D shape with 4 sides where opposite sides are equal and all angles are right angle, diagonals are equal. Its area is L into B and its perimeter is 2 into L plus B.
Now move on next shape. The shape is star. It is a 3-dimensional shape with pointed edges. It is commonly used in drawings and decoration. Now move on next shape. The shape is cone. It is a 3-dimensional shape. It has 1 circular base and 1 pointed top called vertex. Its curved surface area is pi rl. Its total surface area is pi r into L plus r. Its volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Now coming to the conclusion, through this project we learned about different 2D and 3D shapes, their formula, their properties and their uses in our daily life. Geometry helps us to understand the structure of object and is useful in our daily lives.